If you plan to visit Botswana to explore its rich bird life, this video and the book that it describes is for you. Botswana is a wildlife and birding paradise, especially if you want to see raptors in their natural environment.
This pocket guide is not a full-blown bird guide in the sense that it covers all the recorded species of Botswana. The easy-to-use, compact guide features more than 360 of the most conspicuous and commonly seen birds in the country, those that you are likely to see and hear on your visit.
The guide starts with a very good overview of Botswana, covering the major geographical features of the country. The best areas for birding are pointed out with habitat descriptions and indicated which bird species are most likely to be found there and why.
The author explains his ideas and goals with the guide by explaining how to use the book. For each species, the scientific and common English names are indicated. Where available, the species name in Setswana, the local language of Botswana, is also included. Up-to-date distribution maps for each bird in the guide show where in Botswana the species occur and to what extent. Distinctive differences between males, females, and juveniles are pointed out. Bird calls are described for some species, typically those that you are most likely to hear. At the back of the guide are 3 different indexes. Firstly, an index to the scientific names, then an index to the Setswana names, and finally an index to the common English names.
The pocket guide is slightly bigger than a smartphone and will fit into most pockets. There are 140 pages in the book with a thicker outside cover and sturdy bind that will survive many visits to Botswana.
You can keep this guide with you wherever and however you travel, by vehicle, by boat, on foot, or even on a bicycle. This pocket guide was first published in 2025. The book was written by Dominic Rollinson, who works as a guide for birding eco-tours, leading tours around the world. Dominic is also the co-author on the 5th edition of Sasol Birds of Southern Africa.
For more information and price of the pocket guide, visit the website of the publisher, Struik Nature.